Okay, everybody, a lot of ingredients out here, but we're starting off with the creamed spinach. We're also going to be having in tonight's meal garlic shrimp in a white wine sauce with grilled steaks, starting off with scallops wrapped in bacon. But let's get started on this creamed spinach.
Okay, everybody, you'll see here we're steaming our spinach just a quick 30 to 45 seconds. And then next door, I've got the ice bath ready, so I'm going to drain this. And then I'm going to add it into that ice bath to stop the cooking process right away. Okay, so we've got to drain this guy right away. Stove off. I'm going to bring this guy over. So we've got that drained. And then we're going to get our spinach into that ice bath right away. There's a little delayed on their camera, but that's okay. You'll see right there. He's cooling off. Perfect. Boom. That's what we do.
Okay, first step, let's start off with a warm pan and we'll add in our butter and get that all melted. Lower heat because we're not trying to burn our butter, we're just trying to melt it. Step 2 here, we've already diced our onions, so we're going to go ahead and add those onions into our warm melted butter. We're going to saute those for about 5 minutes. We're trying not to overcook these onions here. We're just simply trying to break them down. Nice medium heat will do that. Once we've cooked up our onions and they're a touch soft, we're going to move on to step 2. And of course, step 2 is our diced or minced garlic. We're going to go ahead and add in our minced garlic. And we'll blend that in together with our onions. It's already becoming very fragrant. A delicious smell throughout the kitchen is incredible on this night when onions, butter, and garlic are combined and sauteing in that pan. Beautiful flavors, beautiful aromas.
Okay, so we've lowered that down a little bit more. Very fragrant. Next, here comes our heavy cream and our milk. Next, we want our cream cheese. We're using 4 ounces here. And we've got to keep this in there until this is melted. Okay? And one more for good luck. Don't get over anxious with this and crank up your heat. There's no need. Okay? Let that melt. A lower temperature. All right, our cream cheese is melting. Excellent. Again, don't get over anxious with this. As that's melting, we're going to add in a pinch of pepper. Pinch of salt. And a little secret here, you gotta be careful though, just a pinch of cayenne. And that cream cheese is almost melted. We'll give that a quick little stir. Oh, it smells delicious right now. You guys smell that at home? It smells delicious. Again, don't get over anxious here. Let it melt and simmer. We're not trying to boil this. So make sure you've drained your spinach properly of all excess water and add it into your mixture here. Okay, make sure we get it all. And we're gonna mix that in. Let's get that mixed. Excellent. Oh yeah. And then we can't forget an important part. Got a 1/4 cup of our Parmesan, plus a little bit. Look how nice and thick that's becoming. This is what we want. We'll give it a really nice mix here. Okay, we're gonna leave this simmer now as well, okay? So we'll just leave that for a couple of minutes. Nice low heat. Okay everybody, our cream spinach is done and ready to go. We're gonna plate this right now a little bit at a time here. Oh, look at this. This is creamy. It just smells fantastic and out of this world. I'm actually really impressed. Gave it a little taste test already. I'm gonna leave this set a little bit. We're gonna move on to prepare our other dishes, but that's what our cream spinach is looking like. I hope you can see it from back there. I hope you can see it from over here. Uncle Drew's Kitchen, cream spinach. The recipe will be on the channel. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Boom!